So I thought it would be interesting to show you a kind of video blog progress kind of thing of my drawing. So this is the next Bargue plate that I'm doing, and here's the first. A lot of kind of really subtle midtones and transitions and lost and found edges and things like that, so it's going to be fun. I'm going to learn a lot. As I've said in previous videos, planning is my kryptonite, so I am going to spend a fair amount of time getting everything laid out and planned and put down on the paper, ready and right, before I start in the fun stuff with the blending and the highlights and all that good stuff. All right, so this is where I'm at right now, and you can kind of see what we're doing, like the foundations of the drawing, and just seeing how I can already see there's issues here and there. For me, drawing is a process of addition and subtraction, and you're constantly editing, because you might think, right, that bit's right, I've got that, that's really good. But now that's been brought into, that's highlighted it, all right? So there we go, that's my latest video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments below. Well, like that. And have a great day. Whatever you do today, make some art. Thank you.